I'm feeling very happy. Like I said, when you have like-minded people and who want to give back to the society, and you get to learn a lot from them. And that's the best part, because I've seen them working with a lot of passion, to help others. And I remember all the cases in last few months that I've referred to Ankura. We are able to change those lives, and we have been able to save many more lives in last couple of weeks. So like I said, this is just a beginning, miles to go, yeah, but the journey is on. So I think that this is the best platform to do it, yeah. What you can do, by connecting with the normal person, I think, okay, politics is a great thing. I salute all the people who have been doing work. But if I was in any kind of political, parameters, I wouldn't have been able to connect with so many people. So I enjoy being a common man. I enjoy being one of you guys. So I think that's the best space, the most comfortable space, and I love it. Sir, I'm here to learn something, and I'm here to share my experiences with all the people, all the doctors that I meet. Like I said, if from 1 year from now, before Corona, you would ask me, okay, I'm feeling, I have some kind of fever, what to do? I would be clueless. I don't know what to do. But in last couple of months, I connected with so many people, so that, ask me any problem, I'll handle it. So the best part with Ankura is that, we discuss a lot of problems that people are facing in today's time. We know that because of the pandemic, a lot of people have suffered. So yes, we need people, we need forces, we need minds to come together to help others. And I'm so happy to be a part of Ankura Hospital, because every single individual under this roof of Ankura it has pure passion to help others. So I think when you have such a huge support system, I think I'm learning every day, and yes, we are there to help others. Yeah. I'll tell you, in last 1 year, I've realized that there's no formula to help. You don't have to think, or you have to plan how can I help. You just have to take that first step. When I go for my shoots, I've been shooting movies all my life, but now when I go for my shoots, the makeup artist, the makeup van drivers, the production controllers, the light men, the camera guys, they also come up with cases. They said, okay, so there's a person in our native place in Guntur and Nellore, who's suffering from so-and-so disease. Can you help us? I said, okay, get him. We'll help them. So we are able to save life through that source also, whether he's a makeup guy. So he feels very nice because he got that guy connected with me and he was able to save that life. So the best lesson that we learn from the whole thing is that you don't have to be influential, you don't have to be very rich, don't have to be a doctor, you don't have to be a politician to help others. You just need to have that passion, that one drive to help others. Sometimes one phone call can save a life. So don't hesitate to make a call. Just try to help someone and it will be done. Thank you so much. I was not very good with essay writing as a student. So yeah, it feels very nice when I go through those textbooks. I get those messages that kids are writing an essay. When they meet, when the parents get their kids and they said, be like him when you grow up. So yeah, there's a huge amount of responsibility that you feel on your shoulders, but you feel nice. I miss my parents more when I listen to those little kids and those parents. I know that they are guiding me somewhere. But like I said, I think the best lesson that we can give to the coming generation is to show them the practical way how we can help someone. Just help someone, and I think they'll learn the best lesson of their life.